Hi guys, so I got a little happy mail and I think I might know what this is. It's from Lisa Hanrahan and she's in the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, and I have a feeling, Lisa, I know what this is. A lot of the girls have been making journals and stuff using Daphne's diary magazine, and it's full of all these pretty pictures and papers and stuff, and because I'm a recycler, I don't buy new craft items or anything, so I made a comment, you know, I always look in the magazine section at op shops, and I never find one. And Lisa just, you know, responds to my post, oh, I'll send you one. And I'm like, no, that's okay. I'll keep looking at op shops. I'm sure I'll find one sooner or later. And then she's like, no. And off she does. And she goes, and yes, she sent me one. Oh, Lisa, that's like so lovely of you. And that's one of the things about the Junk Journal Down Under group, the Facebook group. Everyone is so like generous and giving. I'm actually too scared to comment on something like, oh, that's really pretty, or, you know, because next thing you know, the postman's here knocking on your door with a little package. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is JD's favourite magazine, Uni Desiree on YouTube. She just loves this magazine. I've never seen one. I've seen them in a few Coles stores, but I mean, I've never actually flicked through one, but I understand they're quite hard to get here in Australia. Let me zoom down a little. Thank you, Lisa. You didn't have to send that. I think they're quite expensive as well, are they? Oh, it's in pounds. And they know I love chopping stuff up. It's funny because this is not really my style, but every time I see everyone's little things that they make out of it, I'm like, oh, that's so pretty. But it's like, pretty is not my style, but I really like what they make out of it. See, even this would make awesome background pictures. Oh, see, there's little cutouts. And you build them. Oh, that's so pretty. These pages are really thick. So, oh, they're little matchboxes with little bugs and butterflies. That's really cute. I hope they're not real. I don't think they are, but look how gorgeous this is. My mother used to collect matchboxes, and she had hundreds and hundreds of them from everywhere, all over the world. She collected them for many, many years. Well, the whole time, as far back as I can remember. But when she passed away, they went to her brother, because at the time I wouldn't have known what to do with them. But look at that little bee one. Look how cute that is. They're so cute. Oh, thank you, Lisa. I'm going to have fun chopping this up. Oops, don't know what that is. Something in there. But I'll have to look up, I'm not sure what to do with a lot of this because I don't usually have little pretty papers and stuff like that. And I don't usually make little pretty tags and that sort of thing. All of my tags are made out of recycled grungy stuff. I do have quite a few art magazines from the New South Wales Art Society, and those are awesome. They have the best pictures, most beautiful pictures in there. And the pages are really thick, and I do cut those up. Ooh. So JD recently, she made a whole bunch of little journals out of Daphne's diary, like to give away as in racks and stuff like that. Ooh, look at that. Well, thank you, Lisa. I will have a good look through this, and I'll give it some thought before I start chopping anything up, because I don't know how to make pretty stuff. I love that picture. That's so nice. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Very hippie. Look at those. Aren't they cute? So this one, the swing is real, I think, but the rest is painted. That's awesome. I love that sort of art. This one, I think the motorbike's real and the rest is painted. I love street art, like proper street art, not graffiti scribble that is just that junky writing, but actual proper street art. Anyway, thank you so much, Lisa. You didn't have to do that. And I will show you what I do with it. It may take me a while because I'll have to put some thought into it. But thank you very much for your generosity, and you really didn't have to do that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.